Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. So just let's start. So first of all, search for system information. From here we can check that our secure boot is enabled or disabled. As you guys can see, secure boot state is enabled for me. So if it's disabled for you, don't worry, I'll teach you. Just close this and go into your settings. After going on to settings, search here advanced restart. Just search for advanced. Um, Search here for reset. And from here, you guys can restart your PC. And after advanced restarting your PC, you guys will be opening up your UEFI firmware settings, and after opening it up there will be this type of interface like main application. You guys have to go on to boot section and enable the secure boot from there, and after enabling, your secure boot will be enabled, and that's how you guys can easily enable secure boot in Windows 11. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.